everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Let's log into the server. Now, try installing VMware tools. As you can see, there are some issues. So, let's install the tools manually. First, let's download them from the official website. Now, install this as the default process. As you can see, it is installed successfully. Now, let's restart the server and enjoy full screen mode. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.